Exposing the hidden gems of faith and wisdom. Why are there not more people talking about these divine truths? As we step into this new year, let's pause and reflect on God's abundant grace. Jeremiah 29:11 reminds us, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Imagine the possibilities when we fully trust His plan. Ellen White, in her writings, encourages us to live each day with purpose and dedication, seeking to advance God's kingdom. She writes, "Higher than the highest human thought can reach is God's ideal for His children." Feeling inspired yet? As members of the SDA Church, we have a unique mission to bring light to a world in need. Matthew 5:16 urges us to let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. This year, let's commit to living out these words. Let's thank the Lord for ushering us into this new year and ask for His guidance to live for Him wholeheartedly. Together, we can make a difference and bring many lost souls to Christ. Happy New Year and God bless.